Students, now we understand how to create a basic formula. How to create a basic formula. So for calculating or creating a basic formula, we take a practical example of creating a basic formula. So this is the Excel window. This is the Excel window. Students, see here, there are small boxes are here, horizontal. These lines are known as horizontal rows and these are known as vertical columns. See here, 1 2 3 4 like this. These are horizontal rows and A B C D, these are vertical columns. So this is the cell. This is the cell. This box is known as cell, and cell is the intersection point of rows and columns. Rows and columns. So what is cell address? Like in this is the active cell. Where I have clicked, this is the active cell. So students, tell me which cell is selected. How you name this cell? D. This is in which column? D. And which row? 4. So you can say its address is, this cell address is D4. Now tell me the cell address of this. Yes, tell. F2. F2. This D6. Okay, so these are cell address. Now you can identify any of the cell address like this, E2. Okay, so this is the basic of Excel. What do you mean by cell and what is cell address? This is cell, and these all are cells, but this is the active cell because this is selected. Okay, and cell name also written here in the name box. For check, you can check also E3. E3. Okay, so students, now we understand how to create a basic formula. Okay, I have written some data here. Month wise, how many number of units sold. Okay, in this cell, students, I have to create a basic formula in total cell. So students, tell me, formula start with equal to symbol. Formula start with equal to symbol. Formula start with is equal to symbol. So we have to add all these values in the particular cell. Now tell me, 1000 is in which cell address? B2. Okay, B2. Then we plus sign here. Next is B3. B3 plus 1500 in which cell? B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. Okay, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. And in this cell we have to calculate the total cell. So up to B7 we write here. Now we press enter. Now we press enter. See here, if you count this, if you add this, then the total sale 8900 will come. Okay, I think you all have understood. You have to identify the cell address. Okay, so we have taken one more example here. Using compound formula. So what is compound formula, student? Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. When more than one operator is required. What is operator? Like this multiply symbol, divide, division symbol. When more than one operator is required to perform calculation, then compound formula are used. So students, let us take an example like this. Principal amount is given, rate is given, and time is given. So we have to calculate simple interest. So what is the formula for calculating simple interest? Firstly, you have to write in Excel for starting the formula equal to symbol. Then what is the formula of simple interest? Principal amount multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Then tell me the principal value is in which cell? Tell me. B2. If you click on this, then automatically this cell will come. Okay, is equal to B2. Then multiply. You can only select this. Okay, B3 and B4. Okay, principal amount multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Okay, this is the formula for calculating simple interest. Now you have to press enter. Okay, then you see here simple interest is now calculated. If you want to see the formula here, then just click on here and see this is the formula bar, and our formula is also written here. If you want to check formula again, then you can simply select this cell and see formula in the formula bar. Okay, in the previous example also, if you don't want to write cell address, then you can simply select, for example, is equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus and B7, and then you press enter. Okay students, so you have understood now two formulas, simple addition formula and simple interest formula. Now I will tell you about how to use formula on text. If you want to use formula on text, then one symbol is used, and this symbol and is known as ampersand symbol. Which symbol? Ampersand symbol, and that is used to perform addition. The addition of two or more text values, and is known as concatenation. Concatenation basically means join. If you want to join two text values, then ampersand symbol is used. So let us take an example here. I have written two text here. One is this in the A9 cell, and India is in B9 cell address. So here if I want to join Students, if I want to join these two text values, then ampersand operator is used. So let us see what is the formula. Formula start with equal to symbol, you all know. Okay, then you have to write this cell. You have simply select, see here the cell is written here. Then you have to write ampersand symbol and select this B9. Okay, you can also, okay, then simply press enter. Now see here, these two text value joined. Okay, if I just size increase, see here these two values joined here. Again I will explain. If I want to join these two text values in this cell, then I will start equal to sign and select this cell and then ampersand symbol and then select B9 cell. Okay, this is the formula for concatenation and then I press enter. See here, KIPS India now join. If I want some space in between KIPS India, then what is the formula? See here, again equal to this cell, okay, then ampersand, okay, then double slash and then double slash, okay, and then ampersand and then India and then enter. So if it is not there, okay, you have to give some space. See here, equal to this cell, ampersand, double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, ampersand and B9. Okay, this is the formula. If I press enter, then see here, if you don't want space, then what is the formula? Equal to, select this cell which you want to join and simply ampersand and then simply select this cell and then press enter. So this is how you join two text values, okay, using ampersand operator. Okay students, I think you all have understood what is, how you create simple formula, how you create compound formula and how you join two text values. Okay class.